Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 14, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures this morning are trading up by 1.5 points to 26.68 per contract. All in all, it's a pretty flat open, or at least it's pretty flat before the open, I should say. So we'll see how this market plays out today. Tomorrow is options expiration. It is also a quadruple witching options expiration, which means we have 4 different asset classes expiring tomorrow. So we'll see if we get any kind of movement. It's been a more subdued options X. Yesterday, the Federal Reserve came out and raised interest rates by a 1/4 point. That was widely expected, so no market shock there. And again, futures are basically flat today. So let's see what we have here on the board. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news. We'll start the day off with Pier 1 Imports. Pier 1 right now trading at $4.30. Stock closed at $5.84. This is on the back of earnings. This is a pretty good haircut. Now, Pier 1 has been really rallying up over the past month. So look at the stock in November at $4 stock. Traded all the way up to $5.85. And then again this morning after earnings, stock is once again a $4 stock. So I don't think there's much to do here. Probably some support in this general area around $4.20. But again, I'm just not seeing a whole lot to do as far as owning this name. Now on the flip side, we have NSDN, which is Nordson. And this stock is really making a pretty powerful move to the upside. Closed at $126.91. It's now trading at $140. I happen to think it's a bit overbought, so if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone now. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. But this is a very, very good move for Nordson Corp. And again, that is on the back of earnings. We have some other names out here. Looks like FOXA, which is 21st Century Fox, is a done deal here. Stock is trading at $32.50. Looks like Disney will pay $52.4 billion for the company. So again, if you own this, trail the stop loss. Maybe somebody comes in and bids it higher. I don't think that happens. But either way, great job on this by Disney getting this company. And now they have a lot of content to take on Netflix. So all in all, Disney being bought out is buying 21st Century Fox for $52.4 billion. Next up, we want to take a look at Lululemon. This is on an upgrade. LULU is a ticker symbol here. The stock is trading at $75.65. So Lululemon showing some good strength this morning. This might have a little bit more upside to it. I can't rule that out. But once again, it is getting to overbought levels that are stretched. So you got to be careful here. If you own it, trail that stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I kind of just have to leave it alone at this stage of the game. Another upgrade we're looking at today is Finish Line, FINL. Stock right now is trading at $12. No volume behind it, so be a little bit careful there. But this is getting a little bit of a pop ahead of the opening bell. TEVA Pharmaceuticals announcing a restructuring plan. They also cut their dividend. Stock is soaring, though. It's trading at $18.88, closed at $15.70. So great move here for TEVA. This stock has been basing for about 3 or 4 days now, but on the back of this restructuring plan, looks like it wants to fill the gap area, and the gap goes all the way back to October 3rd. I think, yep, October 3rd, and that's going to be right around the 1880 level, and you can see exactly where it went to. So pretty amazing the way the technicals work out, but that's what you're seeing right there for TEVA. Again, TEVA's a little bit long in the tooth here and into a gap window, so I don't know if there's a whole lot of upside from here, but we'll see how it plays out going forward. I want to take a look at Express Scripts today, ESRX. This is up, I believe, on raising their guidance. So company raised their guidance. Right now it's trading at $70 a share. Good move. There's a lot of resistance, though, for Express Scripts at $75.20. So keep that on the radar. If it gets up there, maybe a short scalping opportunity. We'll see. Next up, want to take a look at VRX. This is another, sticking with the bio theme, pharmaceutical names. This is trading at $21.07. Looks like this was downgraded this morning. This stock's been on a run, though. Look at this daily chart. I mean, it's gone from $11 to $22, and today it gets downgraded. I like that downgrade because somebody's finally downgrading the stock at a high, and there is a lot of resistance there for Valiant. So either way you slice it or dice it, stock's pulling back a little bit, closed at 22.05, now trading at 21.10, but that's not a bad downgrade up there at that level. I think that's everything we have for stocks today. Let's get over to the gold market. Gold is trading up 7 points today, so great move for gold. GLD up a little bit as well. You can see that's trading at 118.97, so that's actually down a little bit from yesterday's close. Remember, the GLD trades till 4 o'clock. Spot gold closes at 1:30, but we do have spot gold up 7 points at $1,255.50. An ounce GLD trading at around the 119 level. Looking over at crude oil today, we have crude oil futures trading down 30 cents to $56.30 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good way to track the movement in crude oil, that's down to 11.25, closed at 11.33 yesterday, so it's reflecting a little bit of a downtick there. All right, I think we covered everything we have today. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.